Feeling overwhelmed by debt? You're not alone. Millions of people face this struggle every day. But the good news is there is a way out. Today we'll walk you through the practical steps to escape the debt trap and regain control of your financial future. Debt can feel like a never-ending cycle, but with the right approach, you can break free. Let's start with step 1. First, take stock of your situation. List all your debts, their interest rates, and minimum payments. Understanding what you owe is the first step to taking control. A budget is your roadmap out of debt. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Prioritize essential spending and allocate a portion towards paying off your debts. There are 2 popular strategies to pay off debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Now, the debt snowball focuses on paying off your smallest debt first. This builds momentum and keeps you motivated. The debt avalanche targets debt with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. So choose the one that works best for you. Look for ways to cut back on non-essential spending, cancel unused subscriptions, eat out less, or shop smarter. At the same time, explore opportunities to increase your income like a side hustle, freelancing, or selling things you no longer need. Many creditors are willing to negotiate. Call them to request lower interest rates, adjusted payment plan, and even debt settlement options. You may be surprised how much they're willing to help. Avoid taking on new debt while you're trying to pay off old debts. Stick to your budget and focus on living within your means. Even as you pay down debt, set aside a small amount for emergencies. This prevents you from relying on credit cards when unexpected expenses arise. Escaping the debt trap takes time, effort, and discipline. But remember, every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Stay committed and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed.